Hi, I'm Tom Morgan, personal trainer, and this is Lower Body Training 1. Today we're going to do 3 basic moves and then 2 more advanced moves for you to progress onto. For these exercises, you're going to need to adjust the trainer to about knee height, so round about the yellow tab on the straps.
This is the squat. It's a basic lower body move. Start off with your feet shoulder width apart. You're going to keep your core tight. Don't use your arms to pull from the straps. This is the side lunge. It's a basic lower body move. Keep your knee behind the toe at all times. At the start of the movement, keep your elbows at your side. Keep your core tight throughout. Don't rely on the straps to pull yourself up. This is the lunge. It's a basic lower body move. At the start of the movement, keep your knees together. Keep your knees behind your toes at all times. Maintain an upright position, good posture. Keep your core tight, push from your hip. This is the squat jump. It is a more advanced lower body move. Keep your knee behind your toe, keep your core tight, push up from the hips. Keep the movement explosive. Lean back into the straps to get extra height. This is the TRX burpee. This is a more advanced lower body move. Keep your shoulders, hips and feet in line. An explosive in and out movement. Keep your core tight throughout.
Hope you had a great time watching the video today. It'd be really good if you could like and subscribe to the video. And if you have any suggestions for any exercise, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you.